इंडस्ट्री से दिया है और एक ट्राई भी मैंने इसी से करवाया है और I owe a lot to this industry and this is one of the things.
When you put up a factory with high technology to make a drum or to make anything, you require to have a assured business. So definitely our ecosystem is required and the statutory ecosystem is required.
Now another thing is, we talk about standards. I think it was sometime in 2000s. I undertook a training of STMC. He was there when we took the training. So, I mean, this is a standard which is adopted by US.
This per annum. And so it can be done. You cannot remove off HPs and Epsons. They will take time to disappear, but if we get 40% of 20 lakhs, it's about 8 lakhs can be sold. So whether one player or two players or three players come in to get that volume is all possible.
In China, we have a good brand of influencers promoting a 9-star brand. But in India, I don't know what, no major influencers are promoting the aftermarket brands. So I think we should get together to get the Make in India started up with a reliable base who attracts traffic to him so that people can understand and search about the product. Majority of the people don't know what a toner cartridge is or what an ink product is. Getting the knowledge and promoting the right message to the right consumer is the way forward. And I think we should all work together to make this platform and get this thing started up. Thank you.
One thing, again, based on pricing, as long as the distributors have enough margins, I think the factories over here can supply local distributors as well. If there's no margins, definitely distributors are going to plan and work on importing products, right? So I think that's one thing the manufacturers can work on. Work with the distributors, work on giving them more margins. That will again help them Make in India, since it will help increase the volumes. Again, export is another thing we need to look into. So, and again, as I always say, our country is quite huge. We have more than 2.1 billion population. So, I mean, it's not a small market in any way. So, there's a lot of potential growth, a lot of potential for Make in India. Thank you.
Yes, Make in India has come a big way. In the sense, it's been close to 10 years that this policy or this initiative has been taken by the Honorable PM. When we talk about its real implementation, I think it's a little far off, in the sense that there are a few hurdles that every manufacturer in this segment would face. That is that the major raw material is being still produced in China. There are no ancillary or backward integration here as of now. So your drums and everything are technically being imported from China. The shell and everything, all those things can be done here, assembled here and done here.
To absorb the cost to themselves rather than passing it on. Now here comes a challenging time that many of us in the toner industry, we know that world's top Japanese resin manufacturer has already announced production of resin, stopping production of resin from 31/3/26.